Hello everyone, welcome to another GoHighLevel video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial, I will show you how to increase your GoHighLevel agency logo. Now for this, you will need a GoHighLevel access and account. Obviously, you can subscribe to our 30-day free trial down below. It's completely free for everyone that is watching this video. So let's get started. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go to settings within the agency, dashboard, and basically once we log in, let me kind of refresh this because this is initializing again because of my internet. So let me kind of refresh this right here. Now once we land here, what we want to do is we want to go to company, we want to scroll down here, and here as you can see you have custom JavaScript and custom CSS. So basically this will depend if you already have a logo or not. But basically go to this this code. I will leave it in the description. You can just copy this code right here, and as you can see, this will create an agency logo snippet, and it will basically give that logo which you already have on a high level. It will give it a maximum width and then height as well. So you will also have height increased, and basically that's all you have to do. So you just put it here, and you just make sure this is like this, and also make sure to copy this in the custom CSS, not in the JavaScript. I'm not sure if you can put it here, but it will not definitely work. So you just go here and update the company, and obviously once you update the company, some of the fields are missing here. So let's just put just put here something. So let's just go and update the company. Okay, other fields are missing as well. Type a reason, no reason. So like, let's update, proceed. And then that will update the company logo. If it's not updating, just make sure to refresh it. Also, you will need to have it, you will need to have that logo right here. As you can see, this logo is increased, but it actually is like resized a little bit. So you obviously need to have your own logo. So that's pretty much it for this particular video. Obviously, if you want more videos on GoHighLevel, we can definitely check out our channel, and also definitely check out our 30-day free trial link down below on GoHighLevel. Thank you guys for watching.